What's up, YouTube? It's your girl LT. DC is over here somewhere mad. He always irked about something. He mad because apparently I took forever to get ready today. Not so much. He was in there taking a nap and everything, and he want to take me hiking in the woods. But I've been wanting to go in the woods for a long time because I like it. I like being outside in nature. My hair is so frizzy today, y'all. Like, my flat irons was refusing to work. I ain't see no smoke coming from them. I'm like, nah. Honey, I might have to have it tonight because we're supposed to be doing something, but, see him, he coming. Wait, you see him? Where you at? He right there. Watch his face. Watch his face when he come up, y'all. So bad. He's doing nothing but acting. He's always acting like he's so irked with me. It's you. You ain't gonna say hey to the family, bro?
Hello, fam.
So dry. Anyway, we're going hiking. Going to the woods. I have on my cat ears again because I ain't trying to catch no cold. It's nice out right now, actually, but this weather's so up and down. I gotta cover up. So I had a little cough in our last video. Y'all seen it? Doing our chocolate wine review. It's all right. It's getting better. Anyway, he ain't got much to say. Maybe he'll talk to y'all when we get there. So extra.
What a game. We're gonna come in, we're gonna have a little picnic out here in the sand.
I'm scared I'm gonna drop this phone. Doesn't feel steady.
Is it hooked in?
It is. I don't have this in it because I don't wanna.
So what does it feel steady?
Okay.
Oh, that. It's right here. Let me see. You know it.
You know I'm yeah.
Yeah.
See your muscles. Okay, I feel better, I think. What's the name of this park?
It is Arabia Mountain Trail.
Arabia Mountain Trail. They took me out to the park because I love nature and so does he. I'm excited. I'm like a little kid. There's a waterfall over here, y'all. I'm trying to get down to this waterfall because I want to see what's in this water. Y'all gonna see it in a second. Watch. Ooh. Okay, gotta be careful. It's a little trail. Digging up. Ooh, y'all gonna see it in a minute. Hold on. Trying not to fall because I will. Yeah, you already know. Hi. Y'all, it's amazing. You're gonna see it in a second. Hold on. Why? Y'all haven't seen The Shack. It's a wonderful movie. You need to watch it again though, because you have to really watch it and listen to what's being said. It's a great movie though. But anyway, I am. Hold on. I don't know why this daggone camera be acting a fool. But look, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn around. Okay. You guys see this? Look how beautiful that is. So I'm sure when it rains a lot, like it even gets like swells up even more. But this is good. I said I'm sure it swells up probably to like all up here. Yeah. Like see all the sand behind us? So when it rains, it probably goes.
If I was prepared, I would have walked over there.
Over where? Oh, me too. We had galoshes. Like, we had the right, like, shoes. Yeah, I'll be all in that water with you. We'll walk over there. Walk right through the water. So, remember the thing. property. Somebody else is vlogging over there. Got a fellow YouTuber out here. You see him now in the background. He's talking to the camera. He don't know. He's so judgmental. I almost busted in the tail section again. Okay, I just want y'all to get it done. We're gonna do the trail. I really love waterfall action. Am I getting all of it? I don't know if I got this part real good. Can I see it? Yeah, that's right. So cool. Here we go, nice, but I don't even care. My side. You know, fishing in the water probably, huh? It looks pretty shallow. We should probably walk right through that.
It's very shallow. Right there. But then you know how to always work in the movies. You walk out there,
You may just sink.
It's probably like a secret dimension, like way out there.
You know how I feel about dimensions. That's why it's
Different.
trying to make fun of right
I'm not
now. Parallel dimensions and carrying on. That's another video. But yeah, a little
And
eccentric.
it really might happen. You go out there and find out though.
I will. Because fortunately I can swim. Unlike the myth out there that black folks can't swim. I can. Yep. Hey, my family's from Pensacola, Florida. Okay, we're back. Left the waterfall. And we are walking.
Going.
You see that puff? Oh. One of them. His owner was struggling.
No, for real. I really like nature.
Me too.
So I love hiking trails and waterfalls and all of that type of stuff. I really probably would have jumped over in the water had I been prepared for today.
It's not the weather for that, baby. It's still ain't time for that. You can be sick.
Not time for that.
No, but it sounds good. We'll come back though, and I'll jump in with you when it's time.
It sounds good.
Definitely will get in that water. We also have to go fishing. I love outdoors too, so that's why he brought me here. He knows I love it.
Look around.
Sweet.
Let's look at the nature.
Let's do it. Ooh, look at all these trees. Feels like we're in the mountains.
But you know, stuff like this is always like the setting for a scary movie.
It is. Don't believe the hype though. Whatever.
Stuff like this is always the setting for a scary movie. So that's why
You don't come out here running by yourself no more. Is that the reason?
yeah.
Okay, y'all look. We're on the trail and there's some buzzards, right? You see them over there? I'm trying to walk too close because they are tearing something up. And you can smell it. Like when they start flying, they're so big. And they're up there in the trees. Like, I don't know if I can get it. They're up there in them trees. And then I'm hearing something in this grass, y'all. I feel like Steve Irwin.
It's dope.
Look at the buzzards in their natural habitat.
Sound like a crocodile hunter or something.
Yeah, that's Steve. I'll get my accent right. I get it when I get into it. But okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna walk past because as long as they don't start fighting.
Out here in nature, really dope. Really nature, and we carved our name right here. LT and DC. We carved it, and it's really in the middle of like nowhere. So one day someone will find it and wonder who that is. I think we're gonna tell our kids to come back here one day
Yeah,
and actually, I want to leave clues. I like to leave clues for stuff like that.
they get a kick out of this.
You get a kick out of it.
They would love it.
Here she go with these cat ears again, y'all.
Cause it's windy out here, y'all. Yeah, I'm trying to.
Let's go. We gotta hike it.
Yeah, we got a long
All
way
right, we
to
gotta go.
3 hours later.